Hello everyone and welcome to an introduction video for Talk2TextTranslate. So first let's define what the application is. I'm going to tell you there are three features currently for Talk2TextTranslate. The first feature is that it allows the user to record the audio. The second feature is you can give any kind of audio, also the ones recorded by the application or any other audio. You can give that audio as an input. You can identify what language is being used in that audio file, and you can transcribe that audio. You can get a translation of that audio in different available languages as well. So let's quickly load up the application. So when we run the application, I will first briefly describe the interface. So since I want to keep things simple, I wanted this application to be as user friendly as possible. So there are only the user interface is pretty simple. If you click on the microphone, it starts recording. Now I cannot confirm that it is recording currently because I am using the microphone to record the video. So when you click it again, as you can see, the color shift, color toggles to let the user know that the recording has stopped. You can see that the recording is done 10 seconds. And then if I go for browsing audio, you see that there are multiple options available. In these options, let's say that I want to load up this file. So file is now loaded up. I can tell the input and languages. And when I click on the translate button, the application does two things. One, once it has transcribed and translated, you can see that it gives result in live pop-ups. And the second part is that it stores this similar result in two different text files, one for transcription and one for translation. Where you can find these is that I have made two different directories. The application records the audio and stores that result in this directory, and transcribe any transcription done in text file is stored. See, there are different transcriptions done and translations. This is done so that every result is in a singular place, easy for the user to see where the results are. So quickly what I'm going to do is I'm going to run the application on different languages while keeping the transcribed text here and translated text here. So let's quickly run on available languages, and also I would like to take this time to describe how many languages currently we are handling. We handle English, Urdu, French, Arabic, German, and Hindi, and we will increase the amount of languages as we further fine tune and add languages to this application. So this is the introduction of this application. There are many features that are coming for this application, and one more important factor is that this application itself is a smaller part of a larger application. There are many exciting things coming up in the next videos. So stay tuned and let's quickly run the application on different languages. So guys, we have run the given audio for different languages. As you can see, the first result is in Urdu, the second is in French, then we have Arabic, then we have German, and then at the end we have Hindi. So since I can only understand English and Urdu, so I can tell you that transcription and translation in Urdu is correct. However, if you guys see any kind of mistakes that the model has made in translating the given audio file in German, French, or Hindi, or Urdu for that matter as well. So please let me know in the comment section. I'll fine tune a model even better. So right now I'm not using custom models. I'm using the speech recognition API to achieve these results. Soon I will upload small tutorial videos handling different smaller parts of this application, and how we can, and then I will make another tutorial for integration, so that each video is brief, precise, and the user has my personal belief is that it's easier to digest a larger piece of information in smaller chunks, and similar ideologies is going to be applied to my channel as well. I'm not going to make large videos for large projects. I'm going to break that project into smaller videos and give tutorials for that. This is a demonstration video. Tutorial videos will come in future. If you guys are interested, hit the subscribe button so you can be notified when my video comes up, and see you in the next one.